Good morning children. How are you all? I hope you all are good and enjoying study at home. Welcome to maths class. So children, in maths today we are going to learn a very interesting topic. What it is? It is comparison. In our daily life we compare the object on the basis of height, size, length, weight, right? But now today we are going to learn the comparison of numbers on the basis of quantity. What it is mean? Quantity means the amount or number of a material. So with a small activity we can learn the comparison, right? Children, we have two objects in different quantity. In this box we have how many toffees are there? We should count the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in this box we have 5 toffees. And in that box, how many toffees are there? Count it. 1, 2. Right. So in this box we have 5 toffees. In that box we have 2 toffees. So tell me, in which box we have more toffees? Correct. In that one. Because we have a 5 toffees. Okay children? So children, after the comparison in which we have learned more or less, we should understand the concept of greater than, equal to or less than. And today I am going to teach you the concept of greater than. What does the greater than means? Greater means bigger number. Bigger means bada. And now we have counting over here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right? But how can we come to know that which is the bigger number? So now bigger number means which number comes later. जो नंबर बाद में आता है वो बिगर नंबर होता है. Let's see. This is 1. And which number is this? This is 2. Correct. So 2 is greater than 1. Right? And after 2, which number will come? 3. So 3 is greater than 2. And after 3, which number will come? This is 4. So 4 is greater than 3. And now after 4, which number is this? This is number 5. Correct. So 5 number is bigger than 4. And now after 5, this is 6. So 6 is bigger than 5. And after 6, 7 is there. 7 is bigger than 6. Right? And now after 7, 8 number will come. So 8 is bigger than 7. And after 8, 9 is there. And 9 is bigger than 8. And the next number is number 10. Which come after 9. So 10 is bigger than 9. So which number comes later in the counting, that is known as bigger number. So today I am going to teach you only the bigger number. Children, today we will learn the concept of greater than. Greater than. Greater means bigger. Bigger number. Right? And what is this? This is the sign of greater than. Right? And this is, what is this? This is monster. Now do you see his big mouth? His big mouth always wants to eat bigger number. That's why the opening of mouth of monster always facing the bigger number. So now we will just learn that this is the sign of greater than. So now with the help of one activity, we can learn the concept of greater than. So children, are you ready for the activity? And in this activity, what we have to do? We have to find out which one is the bigger number with the help of the sign of greater than. Okay children? So now, if we want to compare the things, if we want to just find out which is the bigger number, first of all we have to just count the objects. Okay, just take example. Here I have drawn some star. Here also I have drawn some star. So first we have to count the stars. How many stars are there? Shall we count? 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. Here 4 stars are there. And here 1, 2, 3. 3 star. So now in between 4 and 3, which one is the bigger number? Very good. 4 is the bigger number. So what we have to do? We have to put the sign of greater than. This is the sign of greater than, right? Because 4 always just come after 3. Because 4 is the bigger number. 4 is a greater number than 3. Okay, children? So now, again we have to start. Count the object. How many flowers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We'll write the number. 6 flowers are there. And how many flowers are that side? 1, 2, 3, 4. We will write 4. So now tell me, which is the bigger number between 6 and 4? इसमें से 6 bigger number है कि 4 bigger number है? Very good. 6 is the bigger number because 6 is greater than 4. Okay, children? Now, how many balloons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We will write 7 here. And how many balloons that side? 1, 2. So now tell me, which is the bigger number between 7 and 2? Very good, children. 7 is greater than 2 because 7 is greater than 2. Right, children? I hope you have enjoyed this class, children. So please keep practicing. Children, don't forget that what we have learned today, the opening of the monster mouth, it's always facing the bigger number. Right, children? And this is the sign of greater than. So don't forget to two faces always the greater than. If your teacher asks for the greater than or bigger number, this one sign is always faces the bigger number. Okay, children? So now, thank you and just be healthy and stay safe.